Okay, so I messed that up already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that reaches. So it's actually 5. If it were horizontal, it'd be 6. I can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. Now this top layer should be the output. So we're going to bring the silica from over there, bring it down through here on the bottom layer. We're going to manufacture the copper sheets in this area over here, and then manufacture the circuit boards, bring them up through here, and that's what we bring to the factory. And we're going to need a lot of circuit boards, so try to build like as much of this out as possible. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I just realized this is going to be a little too short, isn't it? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, too short. May need to fix it. Well, I guess we'll deal with that later. But for the time being, let's get into the circuit boards here. First, to make sure this infrastructure is ready to go. Should I just make a wall or stackable hypertube? Let's go with stackable hypertube. Hypertube entrance. We'll also need to be bringing our power down here. I just connected like that. There we go. Okay, here we go. A hypertube line, it goes to that hub up there. I'm gonna put the equipment workshop over here to be like somewhere out of the way. Okay, we're gonna need 6 of these. Don't have enough room just yet. Okay, I only brought enough modular frames for 3 of these miners. So we're gonna bring him up here, and then we're gonna have like smelters. Maybe we'll put him in this direction. Maybe we can put like one of these, a conveyor wall times 3. Basic walls in this direction. Oh, let's also fill this in. Like right here. Now this looks kind of weird, but the way I wanted to do this is not like this. Need to reverse it. Anyway, put this here. This here. Put this here. There we go. That looks good enough. Okay, so we got our copper ore now. Next, we're gonna do the copper ingots. I probably should check. How much does it do? 120 per minute. Let's see this smelter again. 30. So we'll do 12. Actually, we'll do 24. That way we can overclock it 100% and still be saturating all of this. Since we have lots of room anyway, so let's try to take advantage of this as much as possible. Also gotta make sure that this is the input side. Yes, it is. I just gotta line these up. Now, if I hold control, like it doesn't snap, so I just gotta line up the white boxes here. Uh, 12. Yeah, let's just do it like straight through here. Okay, so that's half right there. Let's zoop this up. There's 16, 20. $24. I probably should connect this power here. Again, these blueprints are still problematic because they're really small, but still not bad for the first pass. At least it does save work, which is the whole point. So can't complain too hard about it. Eight, 16, 24. Okay. This group right here. And this group right here. Two. And there's 3. I connect this to power. There's 2. Okay, so we got 24 smelters for these things. We can overclock these at a later time, and we'll have the capacity to support this without overclocking the smelters. So we can overclock the MK2s by 100% to saturate 8 of these. So that's pretty much why I'm doing this right now. Since we have a lot of space, we'll get this out of the way right now so that we can scale up much better later on. And then over here, we're going to start building out the copper sheets.
I strongly advise you to harvest this specimen.
It really doesn't look like there's anything worth getting down here, so... that's just it.
Comply.
I mean, if you annoy me enough, maybe I'll collect you. Maybe.
Picking up multiple fix-it personnel in the area. Proceed with harvest before it's too late.
This gotta figure out the ratio for the constructors now. So we're still using the standard recipe for the copper sheets. I'm pretty sure I have another alternate recipe for copper sheets at this point, but don't have the ingredients for it, so we're just gonna go with the standard one. I think that's it for the time being. Okay, so constructor over here. I just realized I don't have that many reinforced iron plates, so we're gonna have to go back for stuff. Anyway, copper sheets. So it takes 20 copper ingots per minute to produce 10 copper sheets. So we got 30 per minute. Now I'm gonna base this on the idea that all of these will be saturated. So it's 30 per minute. So let's assume they're fully saturated. 30, 60, 90, 120. So 240 per minute. So, and that is 12 constructors for every 8 of these smelters. Alright, so yeah, let's get some more reinforced iron plates while we still can. It's looking good so far. Maybe I can like get a few more extra like concrete and iron plate stacks just so we can fill out the rest of that hole there. Goes up like this. Oh, look at that. Excess resources on top of the hyper tube. Now I'm pissed off. Anyway, it looks like the cables over here are good. I'm just trying to take a peek of the cables over here. Like, some of it is moving, so just gotta just double check this. Make sure everything's okay. Yeah, this one up here just keeps going. Anyway, I was just gonna cut through here. Let's get these things on the ground. Alright, so we're gonna need maybe this much. 100. Put these screws back in here. Just want to upgrade this just so that it'll go faster. Oh, come on, seriously? Yeah, I put this too close. Now I can't upgrade it. Like, this is the biggest bottleneck right now. So, you know, why don't I just dismantle this? Let's fix this right now. It's in MK1. come on. Well, that's the issue with not using the foundations. But at the time when I built this, I didn't really have that much concrete to use. So, didn't really do this. Upgrade these while I'm here. There we go. Just so it all flows like quickly into this storage. Yeah, there we go. A couple more stacks just in case. So that should do it. Also take this as well. Alright, let's head back. The rest of my resources look good, so don't need to deal with that. And that container is just filling up, so basically that acts as a buffer in case I don't have enough production for computers. At least all of those parts will just continue to build until it's like needed. It's pretty much the idea behind these containers as well. Now, a lot of these conveyor belts do need to be upgraded, but I'm gonna wait until I have MK5s before I start upgrading like everything. Just so that I only have to do it once. So I'm only going to upgrade to MK4s, like if I absolutely need to. But otherwise, I'm just gonna wait until I have the MK5s. Oh, fuck. Okay, so we're gonna need like a wall there. Yeah, let me test this first.
Relaying message. Hello, this is paternal figure.
Okay, I can't pick it up through the tube.
And need your help to find a cure.
I guess that makes sense.
Doctors say that the only
Yeah, there we
remedy
go.
is alien artifacts.
I want to pick that up. And it's 28 pipes. All right. So this will block me from going into the other hyper tube.
Why?
And I actually need to go in here. There we go. Alright, so constructors, we're gonna need 12 constructors per 8 smelters. I believe that's the thing there. Alright, blueprints. We're gonna leave like a buffer over here. Just so that we have room for the conveyor belt logic. It's gonna be like 1, 2, 3. That should be good enough. Okay, so this is the input. I'm gonna put you right over here. Now again, this is a blueprint that requires me to overlap it, so gotta do this. 8 and 12. Okay, so that's just for this group right here. And the next group. Actually, we want... let's not overlap this. Just so that it's easier to count, we'll be less space efficient here, just so we can group it by 12s. Now, just need to double check to make sure this is the input. Yeah. And then 12. Okay, new group. Or... Okay, we need to push this out further now. Oh, I forgot to bring some extra concrete with me. Please tell me I put some concrete in that container there. I mean, that's the reason why I have that container there. Oh no. Fucking hell. Alright. More concrete. Maybe I can like exploit that limestone node over there just so I have a local source of concrete. But no, we're going back. I guess I probably should have went back to the area there, got some more building supplies. Just filled up my inventory. So, oopsie. Yeah, it really feels like I need to like do something there. Because there is some space, like, between those cables. It's really irritating me. These are empty.